Security assessment. The ship security is essential and integral part of the process of developing and updating the ship security plan. The company security officer shall ensure that the ship security assessment is carried out by persons with appropriate skills to evaluate the security of a ship. In accordance with this section, taking into account the guidance given in Part B of this code. Subject to the provisions of Section 9.2.1, a recognized security organization may carry out the ship security assessment of a specific ship. Basically, sir, for carry out the ship security assessment, company goes to a recognized security organization and they provide them basically the GA plan and each and everything, and they will carry out the assessment and they will make a plan also, and after that plan, this plan must be approved by flag state. So there are some certain things. The ship security assessment shall include an on-scene security survey and at least the following elements. Number one, identification of existing security measures, procedures, and operations. And number second, identification and evaluation of key shipboard. Three is identification of possible threats to the key shipboard operations and the likelihood of their occurrence in order to establish and prioritize security measures. And last one, identification of weaknesses including human factors in the infrastructure, policies, and procedures. So all these points are covered by this in this security assessment, and this also has to be done by recognized security organization. And a recognized security organization may carry out the ship security assessment of a specific ship, and the use of checklists to perform assessments of security in day-to-day operations is very important and should include categories as such as the following. Number one, general layout of the vessel. Number the location of areas that should have restricted access, such as the bridge, engine room, radio room, etc. Location and function of each actual or potential access point to the vessel, open deck arrangement, including the height of the deck above water and all. Emergency and standby equipment available to maintain essential services, numerical strength, reliability, and security duties of the vessel's crew, existing security and safety equipment for protecting the passengers and crew, existing agreements with private security companies for providing vessel and waterside security services. To carry out this risk assessment, there are two methods. Number one is quantitative risk analysis, and number second is qualitative analysis. Analysis. Sorry. Security assessment. Security assessment is a risk-based decision-making tool. It is a systematic and analytical process to consider the likelihood that a security breach will endanger an asset, individual, or function, and based on that, to identify actions to reduce the vulnerability and mitigate the consequences of a security breach. The SSP SIP security plan is based on the results of the security assessment. So basically, when say a ship security plan is being has to be made, so before that, this ship security assessment must be carried out. The most essential part of developing or updating the effective ship security plan is undertaking a comprehensive documented ship security assessment. The ship security assessment is the responsibility of the company security officer, even though he may delegate the task to other competent people with appropriate skills and experience, such as recognized security organization authorized by the flag state. Security surveys mean an inspection, check, and or audit to control and improve the execution, strategy, protective measures, and actions in the ship security plan. The ship security plan shall be documented